Amazon sellers, I'm shooting this from my hotel room in awesome New Orleans from the Travel Goods Show. And what you need to know for today's inside information has all to do with making money, profits through tight inventory control. So there are hundreds of vendors here, hundreds of brands, and we're talking to them about selling on Amazon, about private label brand protection. But the topic that keeps coming up over and over and over again is the fear of getting more of their products manufactured from China. Most brands are manufacturing in China. There are two issues. One, inventory control is absolutely vital. What I am hearing from multiple brands is that they are considering slowly raising their prices to slow down their sales to match their inventory. So they don't know how much more inventory they're going to get. The second huge issue you need to know about with the Chinese coronavirus problem is alternative places to source your products. India, while India has reported a few cases, I think they're up to 29, 15 of them are from the same trip to Italy. Now you're looking at 14 cases of a population of God knows how, like 2 billion people are in India. So the coronavirus hasn't really hit there yet. It's a huge place for sourcing. Check out indiasourcingtrip.com. You can also look at Taiwan, Costa Rica, Thailand. There are tons and tons of other places to source your products. And the number one place I would recommend that you do some research to try and find out if you can source your products is right here in America. Thank you again for joining me for Amazon Sellers Insider Information. I want to make sure you are all aware. One, we are available to you on all time zones in America. If you work in California, Las Vegas, Texas, New York, we are here during your business hours, 8:30 a.m. Eastern till 8 p.m. Eastern, which is 5 p.m. on the Pacific Coast. We are here for sellers. Number two, we are available to you 7 days a week. Thanks again for joining me for Amazon Sellers Lawyer Insider Information.